Hello everyone, welcome to the Tenorshare channel. In some cases, you may be unable to access your iPhone due to forgetting the password or purchasing a second-hand iPhone. If you encounter this situation, do not worry. In this video, I will explain in detail how to easily unlock your iPhone. Let's get started. Method 1. Restore iPhone using iTunes. If forgot password does not appear on the iPhone, or you have forgotten your Apple ID, you can use iTunes. You need to put your iPhone into recovery mode and connect it to the computer using a data cable. Then hold down the top button, press, and hold the volume down button, and finally press the power button until you see the recovery mode screen. iTunes will display a prompt asking whether you want to restore or update. Choose Restore and follow the on-screen instructions. The device will automatically reset and unlock. However, iTunes may sometimes malfunction or run slowly. It's okay, we have another method to solve this problem. Method 2. Use Apple ID to unlock iPhone. If you remember your Apple ID password, you can use this method. The process involves deliberately entering the wrong password multiple times. For devices running iOS 17 or later, the iPhone will directly display a Forgot Password option. Tap Forgot Password, and the Apple ID option will appear. Selecting this option will reset your iPhone, erasing all data, including the password. The system will prompt you to enter your Apple ID password to sign out of the account. Afterwards, your iPhone will begin the reset process. If you have a backup, simply set it up as a new device during the reset, and you can restore the data during the setup process. Method 3. Use Tenorshare 4U-Key. If the previous two methods do not work, I recommend using 4U-Key, which can help you unlock your iPhone without a password, even if it shows that the iPhone is unavailable. You can find the download link in the video description. First, connect your phone to the computer and put it into recovery mode. Press and hold the top button while holding the volume down button. Then press the power button until you see the recovery mode screen. Once the device enters recovery mode, click Start and 4U-Key will detect the device and offer the option to download the latest iOS firmware. After the download is complete, start the unlocking process. The entire process takes about 10 minutes. Once completed, your iPhone will restart and you can set it up again. It is important to note that all of these methods will erase everything on your iPhone. If you have a backup, you can restore your data afterward. Also, ensure you know your Apple ID and password, as you will need them to reactivate your device after a reset. I hope this video has been instrumental in helping you fix your device. Please do not hesitate to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.